Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some sweet and sour wings. So that's my wings. As you can see, I cut it up. These are all my seasoning. You have garlic powder, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have black pepper, you have paprika, you have chicken seasoning, and you also have Chinese seasoning. And this is my flour. That's plain flour. And I'm also gonna use a chili paste with it also. And here I have some oil, 3 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my chicken wings. Just make sure it's washed and it's clean. So I'm gonna just pour my seasoning. So I'm using 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of the chicken seasoning, 1 spoonful of paprika, 1 spoonful of the Chinese seasoning, and 1 teaspoonful of the garlic powder, and half a teaspoonful of the black pepper. And that's the chili paste. So that's 1 teaspoonful. So I'm just gonna take my hands and just massage my chicken wings. Just make sure everything is all coated with the seasoning. And I'm also gonna pour my vegetable oil. So my chicken wings is all seasoning, and this is what it look like. So to my flour, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoonful of all-purpose seasoning and just stir it. Make sure everything is all combined together, just like so. Hi guys, so what I did off camera, I add 1 egg to my chicken wings because I'm gonna transfer it to my flour, because you want your chicken wings to be able to coat very well with the flour. So that's the reason why I add the egg. So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings to my flour, like so. Because I'm gonna bake them in my oven. Instead of frying it, I'm gonna bake it. So this is what it look like after I coat it. So here I have a tray, and what I did, I added some vegetable oil to my tray. So now I'm gonna transfer my chicken wings to my tray. Just space them out. So I'm gonna put it in my oven and 150 degrees for 25 minutes. Hi guys, so I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and this is what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for at least 25 minutes. Doesn't look too bad. This is something new for me. So this is what it look like after I turn it. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven and 150 degrees for at least 30 minutes. Hi guys, so my chicken wings is finally finished and I'm so happy with the result guys, because it is nice and crispy, and this is exactly how I want it to be. So these are all my ingredients for my sweet and sour sauce. So here I have some ketchup, some chili paste, some soy sauce, a lemon, 1 lemon, honey, and sugar, 1 spoonful of sugar, and chili seed. So you're gonna need around a 1/4 cup of warm water. So I'm just gonna add my water to my pan, and I'm also gonna add my honey, and my ketchup, my lemon juice, my chili paste, and my soy sauce. And my chili seed and sugar. That's 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Just give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoonful of Chinese seasoning. So here I have a pot and the stove is hot. So now I'm gonna add all my sauce to my pan. And I'm just gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, until it became very thick. So my sauce is finished, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is thick, so this is exactly how I want it. So what I did, I just add my chicken wing in my container. So now I'm gonna pour all my sauce on top of it, all over. Looking so delicious guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.